and welcome to GPS News, weekly news that reports in-house happenings and current affairs. I am Lakshya of Grade 12 reporting to you from Kurukshetra Public School, Kanchipuram. Headlines: Navaratri celebration by Kurukshetrians. Parambarya Viday Tiruvizha by Grade 5 students. Olympiad exams for students. Scout and Guide training for teachers. Nigal Kalai seminar by Grade 10 students. Seminar on insurance for Grade 11 and 12. Students' participation in CBSE class talk. Let's look into the brief news. Kurukshetra's Navaratri celebration evoked a sense of rejuvenation and divine virtue among students and teachers. The 9 steps of Navaratri Golu were magnificently decorated with bommas. Students graced the occasion with a dance, song and drama. Let's look into our reporter Ms. Gopika's interaction with our cultural team.
Hello everyone, I am Gopika from GPS News. Yes, right now we are standing near where Golus are set by our school teams and where it is beautiful to see. And students' contribution was filling the bommas is amazing. And we have our school cultural team teachers with us, so we have some interaction with them. Hello ma'am, can you tell me how the pujas were planned throughout these 9 days?
Each day, 2 departments have taken in charge for the puja and they have contributed prasadam to all and taken in charge of the pujas everything.
Can you tell something ma'am?
As Navaratri Puja celebration, our school has organized a cultural program with wonderful dance, drama and music. The students also participated in the program and they were excited and they were happy about the puja celebration.
Students were contributed the bommas. It was amazing, happy.
Class 5 students staged a traditional seed festival. Traditional meals made of millets and grains were served as a feast. Through this event, the awareness was created among students about the nutritional facts of our traditional food. Olympiad exams for Science, English and GK were successfully conducted. Students from various grades have participated and performed the exams. Exams for Maths, Social and Cyber are streamed for upcoming days. Our teachers, Mrs. Eldarasi, Mrs. Rani, Mrs. Suguna and Mr. Gugan have participated in the Scout and Guide training program organized by Educational Department of our state government. Students of grade 10 performed Nigal Kalai as a part of their education. They explained the importance of our historical classical dance through seminar and performance. The performance of the students gave sight to the eye and thought to the mind. The seminar on insurance for grade 11 and 12 accounts team students was conducted by a resource person. Students have acquired knowledge on the topic insurance beyond the syllabus. Our students of Kurukshetra have participated in the CBSE cluster games and won quarterfinals in Kho-Kho, bronze in yoga and judo in South Zonal level. Let's look into the current affairs. In a monumental initiative, India's textile industry, in partnership with industry bodies, is gearing up to host Bharat Text 2024, touted as the world's largest textile event. Scheduled from February 26 to February 29, 2024 in New Delhi. This mega exhibition signifies India's ambition to become a global textile powerhouse marked by innovation, collaboration and the Make in India ethos. The NCERT panel approves proposal to replace India with Bharat in textbooks. In a significant development, the National Council of Educational Research and Training panel has created a proposal to replacing India with Bharat in school textbooks. This concludes the news for this week. For photos and videos of our school events, follow us on our social media pages. This is Lakshya signing off. Have a great day.